Hey there! If you own a rental property or you're about to, you already know the questions that keep you up at night. Is this place actually making money? What can I write off? And when does that lease end? Let me walk you through the rental property income and expense tracker, tab by tab, so you know exactly how to use it the moment you download it. Start on the Instructions tab. It lays out the order. Set up each property first, then log your monthly income and expenses, then use the Tenant and Maintenance tabs as things happen. Everything rolls up to the dashboard automatically. The portfolio dashboard is your whole operation on one screen. Total properties, total monthly income, total expenses, your net cash flow, your cash-on-cash return, and your average occupancy. This is the number every landlord actually cares about. Our example property is running about $195 a month in the black. The Property Setup tab is a one-time entry per property. Address, purchase price, down payment, mortgage balance, and your monthly payment. We've got a single-family home at 123 Main Street, bought for $250. Everything downstream pulls from this, so it's worth getting right. Now the property tab itself. Each property gets its own tab with a full month-by-month grid. Rent, pet fees, and parking on the income side. Mortgage, insurance, taxes, maintenance, and vacancy reserve on the expense side. Every column is a month, so you can see seasonality, and the net cash flow calculates itself right at the bottom. The Tenant Tracker is your lease command center. Every tenant, their rent, the deposit you're holding, and the lease start and end dates. That lease end column is the one that matters because it counts down the days so a renewal never sneaks up on you again. The maintenance log tracks every repair, date, property, category, the vendor, the cost, and the status. A kitchen faucet replacement, $275 complete. This isn't just for your sanity, it's a tax record because every one of these repairs is deductible, which brings us to the Tax Deductions tab, and this is the one that pays for the template. It auto-calculates your Schedule E deductions per property, mortgage interest, insurance, property taxes, repairs, management fees, all totaled and ready to hand to your accountant. Landlords leave real money on the table here every single year. The Vacancy Tracker measures what empty units actually cost you, days vacant, lost income, and your occupancy rate per property. Vacancy is the silent killer of rental returns, and this puts a dollar figure on it. And the annual summary pulls the whole year together. Annual income, annual expenses, net cash flow, your cash-on-cash return, and your cap rate for each property. This is the page you screenshot for your lender or for yourself at tax time. That's the whole system. Built for up to 10 properties, every formula already done, works in Excel and in Google Sheets, and it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Go find out what your rentals are really earning. Thanks for watching.